Ballet Barre Preparation for Arabesque, Cecchetti Ballet Grade 2 syllabus course. Face the bar, feet inverse position combination. On counts 1 to 2, introduction, hold the position. Counts 3 to 4, place hands on the bar. Counts 1, point tendu to 4th position, derrière et terre. Count 2, lift to 4th derrière et terre. Count 3, lower point tendu to 4th derrière et terre. Count 4, close in first position. Count 5 through 16, repeat exercise 3 more times on alternating legs. Note: establish placement before lifting the leg in l'air. Emphasis is on placement and not height of leg. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD.